all it takes is one drive. The car has, I think, not even like 50 kilometers. Rock chips everywhere, bro. On chip, there's another chip here, another chip here, here, here. Bro, within 50 kilometers of the car. Big boy, the V is the V, bro. Has a 220,000 sticker, but everything is done. It's all coated and everything too. You know me and the Hondas. Oh, it's dope, those T-swaps, but. So we were telling you guys, you do those chrome finishes. This is black chrome. Just gonna finish up the exterior detail, polished ceramic, and that one will be done. If you guys want your car on your driveway or in your garage, hit me up. Guys, welcome to another vlog. Guys, welcome to another vlog. We have a lot of content in store for you guys. I love that you guys keep supporting us. We hit 2,000 subscribers. I don't know if you guys seen that, but you know, it might be small to a lot of people, but that's big to us. Hopefully one day it'll be 2 million subscribers. So keep liking, keep subscribing. Put whatever you think in the comments that you want to see, and let's get this summer rocking. Big boy, the V is the V, bro. Has a 220,000 sticker, plus tax, plus lux tax. The tint's already done on it, the immobilizer's already done on it. PPF, we're doing full front end. The reflectors are going black. Interior is getting PPF'd, interior is getting ceramic, exterior is getting ceramic too. But bro, this is like big boy power. Look at that motor. You got a V8 supercharged. This is my motor from my vet in this. In here, just that's literally what it is. On my Escalade, it's still that Corvette motor, but it's from the Stingray, right? It's the non-supercharged. But this thing is big boy power, bro. Yeah, like if you look at the videos on these, when they take off, the whole front end is like looking at the sky. Bro, they squat, like the rear end squats and it just goes. They make big power. Anything with it, you see the V, bro, you know it's a big power Cadillac. This is sick. And the color combo is fire. The white and the black, the panda look. I probably would have went with the black roof or even the half, like just follow this line. Like maybe up to here or something. Something maybe different. Black mirrors as well. Like how we did Garrett's, right? Is there any chrome on this? No, zero. This has a full black package on it, and the interior. Yeah, look at that. It's so nasty. Oh, fire, right? This is the brand new interior. Yeah. Look at all the carbon, bro. Full carbon fiber. The whole dash is carbon. See, all this is all carbon. Yeah. So like has to be protected, you know? Still stuff in there for the PDI, I guess. But yeah, we're gonna protect all of this. I gotta take a look. Another big project. Yep, another big project. It said it was supposed to be pouring rain all day today. I know, that's not all week. They said like it was supposed to be yesterday and like it was like on and off yesterday, but today, yeah. You're riding it now, right? Oh, nice. Everything is carbon, bro. This bike is doing numbers on the gram. Did you see it? I got it. I think it hit over 4. It hit over. It's all carbon. Oh yeah. They want the. People are stupid, man. Has like over 400K views already. Yeah, it came out fire. So we did the full front. I think some piece he made like custom, but everything is done. Headlight, we swapped out the headlight one, so that one is changed. Perfect. The pieces are all done on the side, so we removed that one. Everything is all complete on the front, and then the full bike ceramic. If you did want to do it later on, the PPF, remember I told you, once you ceramic coat it, it's hard for anything to stick. So just keep that in mind. Just obviously try to be careful, but because this carbon is beautiful, so you don't want to damage it. But yeah, if you need anything else, let me know. The side-by-side you're gonna bring Monday? Yeah, whatever day you're in next. Yeah, I'll be here Monday. Bro, everything is carbon. It's all coated and everything too. Yeah, it's fire, bro. It has like a crazy metallic in it. Yes. See how much shinier it looks? Yeah. So are you wearing this one now or you have another one? Okay. When you brought it, it was shiny. That's why you see the side of it. It had a bit of a shine on it. Really? Yeah, but I guess it was just on the side, like not on the main part of the tire. Because bro, I know like guys with bikes, you don't put tire shine because you want to slip. But yeah, it's shinier. You see how it's shinier than the rest? It looked like it had a bit of a, I don't know, maybe the dealership. Yeah, maybe the dealership put it on. All right, guys, we got my dad's 2026 BMW all complete. We got this thing brand new from Polycaro BMW, as you seen last week. We had to, of course, protect it. So we did a full decontamination wash, clay barred it, multi-set paint correction to get the paint perfect. We did a full front end PPF, including A-pillars. We did a 5-year ceramic coating on the full exterior. We wrapped the roof in 3M high gloss black, so it's not that orange peel looking kind of wrap. It looks more like OEM paint. We did a full interior on this thing. The car came out absolutely beautiful. I can't even explain how nice the white looks. He hasn't seen it, no. So I'm gonna go drop it to him now. I gotta go pick up my truck. So I'm gonna swap it out. And so my dad and my mom are gonna see it. And they're gonna be super stoked, obviously, because they've always had a 2-door car their whole life. Yeah, so it's always been a 2-door red sports car that they've always had. And then the last car that I got them, well, the first brand new whip I got was an Audi A4 S-Line. That was in 2019. I bought them a brand new car. That was the first one we got them. That was a 4-door, again, because we knew we were having a baby. So like if the grandparents ever wanted to pick up the kids, you need a 4-door, but it was still red. And then sadly, someone hit my dad, so that car was totaled. And then we got him a brand new X3 in white with the red interior. And that's one we just sold. And now we got this one. But now they're back into a 2-door car after so many years. So I'm sure they're gonna be happy. My dad really wanted red, but this doesn't come in the red that, you know, he likes, like our Corvette, obviously. It comes in a red like that almost, like the Camry. So if you can see, it's like a burgundy. Yeah, it's like a deeper candy burgundy red, but he loves the bright red. But I said, Dad, don't worry, you know, like, for 2 years, we'll rock this, and then for his retirement, I'm gonna get him his Corvette. We could, but now I ceramic coated it too, right? But I'm already getting him his Corvette for when he retires. So it's 2 more years, and then, yeah, that'll be it. You know me and the Hondas.
That's why I was like fighting on the one.
Well, it's tilt it's K-swapped, but the poor car got hit the other day. Nice little.
This is the car that the rings are going.
Yeah, those blue ones, they're going on this. But he was reversing out of his driveway the other day, and some lady was coming flying down the road and hit the car, broke the tail light. Bumper, I think is, yeah, bumper's broken. I don't think so. I didn't really look. I haven't got a chance to look, but I don't think so. There's something hanging here. I don't know. I guess it's the light for this. And the taillight's broken. So insurance will come take a look at it, and hopefully they don't write it off for this small thing, no, for this small damage. They're probably just gonna put aftermarket anyway, so. But it has rust and stuff already. And we got these beautiful, they're dusty right now, but these are Acura TLX wheels, Type S. And we did them in a black chrome finish. So it is absolutely shiny. I'll take one outside even for you to see quick. I don't know if the sun's out, but a little bit. So we were telling you guys, you do those chrome finishes. This is black chrome.
That's what I was gonna say, it's darker chrome. I like it.
Yeah, it's very, very, very nice. Yeah, so that's that finish there. It's blue.
Oh.
Yeah. Lambo, we got some updates. That's nearing completion. We're just gonna finish up the exterior detail, polish ceramic, and that one will be done. The tires are already on. This one, we're still waiting for the wheels to come back. Had some issues with the lip. Barrel was the wrong size that I guess the customer got. So we're gonna fix that for him, and then hopefully the wheels will be on next week so we can show you the final product of the Turbo S. What's going on with this phone, bro? I think it is overheated. We got this beautiful Rolls Royce Dawn right behind us. Of course, you know what's going on in our city right now, so we had to protect it with our immobilizer and tracking system. Come take a look. The system is not armed, so we're gonna be able to start the car. Go ahead and shut it off. We're gonna arm the system. We also have backup remotes as well. Nothing happens, we'll go ahead and use the backup remotes, and the car starts. Again, perfect way to protect your vehicle. You already know how much of a headache it is to deal with insurance companies. If you guys want your car on your driveway or in your garage, hit me up. It's Automotion or nothing. Let's get it, baby. Sick? That's it, that's it. Let's go inside. About this yesterday and with the client. It's actually my neighbor. He was right behind me. Great guy. He just got this brand new. He drove it to the shop. And again, I always say, all it takes is one drive. The car has, I think, not even like 50 kilometers on it. Rock chips. Rock chips everywhere, bro. On black, you see it right away. See? There's rock chips, chip. There's another chip here. Another chip here, here, here. Bro, within 50 kilometers of the car. Imagine that. Like brand new. This is why we say, always bring it to us right from the dealership. We'll send a flatbed, we'll send an enclosed trailer depending on the car. Or if you are gonna bring the car, drive it on local roads, not the highway, and do it after hours where there's no traffic. Drive in the right lane. You know what I mean? So that way you're not gonna get any debris, because look at that, brand new, and already has imperfections. But you know, in Europe, everything is clear, right? They don't have orange, it's clear. Yeah, so at least it's still reflector, but it's clear, it looks better. And it's crazy how much of a difference it changes the entire front end of a car, which is not having that ugly orange reflector. And a lot of these cars obviously have reflectors inside the headlight. Like even this is all reflected chrome. So you don't really need a reflector, to be honest. I mean, I'm not the law, but you know what it is? So when cars are parked, if a car is driving by, they have to see that something is there, and that's why there's a reflector on it. If it's off, yeah, that when a light hits it, it looks like it's lights on. Like you ever see the reflectors? Yeah, like your bicycles have it. Yeah. Not my problem. It's only 6x6 I can afford for now, guys. But one day, we'll own one of these. Thank you guys so much for watching. There was a lot of content for you guys. Make sure you guys keep liking, subscribing. Keep going.